A wonderful day to everyone. Welcome to Talk Up. So, ano po po mga i-discuss natin sa slides natin ngayon? So, unang-una, i-discuss po natin ngayon is kung ano-ano po yung application process, kung ano po ang Talk Up, at ano po pa ang job na ina-applyan po natin. Sa application process po natin, mauna-una yung submission of application, orientation, application of G-form, contract agreement form, onboarding group, final exam with admin, and the last one is training preparation. So ano po bang job na ina-applyan natin? So ang ina-applyan po natin dito is a chat moderator. Ang role po natin dito is an only English chat dating platform where your job is to send effective messages to keep the client or customer respond who is subscribed and registered in the website. So basically po dito sa platform po natin is yung client natin is naka-subscribe. So kada message and mails na pinapadala niya is nagbabayad po siya. So in our end naman po natin is meron po tayong sariling account na hinahawakan. Meron po tayo naka-assign account sa atin at kumpleto po yung mga tools na gagamitin natin doon. So, all we have to do is just reply to their message in mails at dun po tayo binabayaran. Ano po ba ang content ng platform natin? So, in our platform, it is a chat moderation or profile management job. Sa adult dating website, expect po natin mga explicit contents. So, alam naman po natin, hindi po natin hawak o nire-reply ng client natin na message sa atin. So, ano po ba yung mga main responsibilities natin? So, studying and following the educational materials provided, high-quality work and chat, attracting users in chatting, and building constant long-term communication on the platform, creating a post in the platform, and work on quality of communication. So, yung study materials pa natin provide po sa atin yan ng trainers natin and coach. So, like what I said earlier, lahat po na message ni client, yes, nagbabayad po siya. Kasi po nakasubscribe po siya. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito is magre-reply sa kanila na message and then sa mga mails nila. Qualification. Ano po ba qualification natin? Could be trained under minimal supervision, could work for 8-hour shift and during holidays, average English skills, good communication skills, good construction of English sentence, good adherence to punctual skills, experience with chat moderator or similars. PPO experience is a plus. Sa system requirements naman natin is kailangan natin nito yung desktop, laptop, internet connection. Mobile phones are not allowed to use in this platform. So, tanda po natin yan. Mobile phone is not allowed. So, ano na naman po yung mga valid IDs na acceptable sa platform natin? So, driver license, passport, UMate, barangay ID, SS, voters ID, PhilHealth, postal ID, TIN ID, and the last one is national ID. So, punta naman po tayo sa training materials natin, sa training period. So, sa training po natin, we have 2 weeks of training. So, 1 week, training outside the core, ito po ay wala pong bayad sa atin. Hindi po tayo babayaran dito sa training ito. But, in the second week of training inside the core, dito na po mag-start your earning natin. Dito po babayaran na po tayo. So, ano po ba meron sa first week of training? So, una, 1 to 5 days intensive training with professional trainers. On the 5th day, candidate will receive the decision if yung candidate is pasado sa training at kung makaka-join sa core team. 6th day, final training sa mga nakapasa. 7th day, day off na po natin yan. So, sa second week na training, katulad na sinabi ko kanina, inside the core, bayad na po tayo dun. Inside the core training, starting 1 to 7 days, all the earnings will be credited to you once you pass the whole 2 weeks of training period. So, pwede nyo rin po i-message if you have further question, pwede nyo rin po message ang senior HR natin na si Sir LJ. Ito po ang kanyang Telegram. And also for another job opportunity, pwede po natin siya itanongin. Tanda po natin, ito po ang kanyang Telegram. So let's proceed. Punta na naman tayo sa salary calculation example. So itong salary example natin, kasi sa account po na hawakan natin is meron po tayong daily routine doon. So sa daily routine natin, example, ito pong first scenario natin. Meron tayong revenue na $50, sa chat 25, sa mails and media 8, virtual gifts 6, photo, audio, video, stickers 5, chat post 6. So, ang bonus rate natin dito is 30%. Ito po yung ating 30%. Yung the rest po is sa company. Ang final salary natin is $15. Yan. So, ito po yung for example na daily routine natin nagagawa. Daily routine na po natin yan. So, sa shift po natin, natandaan po natin may 8-hour shift po tayo. So, yung daily routine na po yan, tingin nyo magagawa yan ng 8 hours sa buong 8 hours? Hindi po. So, usually, ang daily routine natin, nagagawa lang natin 15 to 30 minutes. Sa 8 hours, ano pa pwede natin gawin? Marami po. So, punta po tayo sa scenario 12. So, sa scenario 12, for example, naka 8 hours tayo na duty. Tapos, marami. Tuloy-tuloy pa yung mga message natin, tuloy-tuloy pa yung mails natin. Ito for example, na revenue natin, 1,500. Ang chat is 750. Mails and media, 240. Virtual gift, 180. Photo, audio, video, sticker, 150. Chat post, 180. So, meron po tayong 50% doon. So, meron tayong $750. So, magkano po ba yun? Nasa 37,000 po yun. Not bad na po yun, $37,000. Hindi pa kayo ganun kasipag nun. So, what were kung napakasipag nyo pa po? Marami po kasing ways doon para magkaroon kayo ng commission doon sa platform. So further explanation sa salary, trainers and coach po natin magpapaliwanag kung ano-ano po to, yung mga message media, visual tips, chat post, at kung ano-ano pa po yung mga dapat gawin doon sa platform. So, ipaliwanag ko lang po yung percent bonus fees nyo. Ang range po kasi ng 0 to $99 na revenue, meron kayo 30%, 100 to 299 na revenue, 32%, 300 to 499 revenue, meron kayo 35%, 500 to 699, 40%, 700 to 999, 45%, and 1,000 revenue, meron kayo 50%. So, ito po ay at ito. Okay, next naman po natin is commission chart. Ang commission chart natin, for example, sa salary, total salary equals to bonus rate times percent from bonus base minus fines plus additional bonuses. So, bakit may minus fines po tayo rito? So, sa platform po natin, meron po tayo mga rules and regulation na dapat sundin. So, pag meron po kayo na break doon, automatic ibabawas po yun sa salary nyo. Diba? So, sa mga rules and regulation po natin sa fines, trainers and coach po magpapaliwanag sa atin kung ano-ano po yun. Okay? So, sa bonus base po natin, ano po ba meron doon? Yun po yung chat, mails, media, visual gift, chat media, photo, audio, chat post. Doon po napasok yan sa bonus base. So, napaliwanag ko na rin naman po sa inyo yung scale ng bonus base natin. So, ano po itong additional bonuses? Additional bonuses paid by management decision for the good performance. For the word itself, good performance. So, pag good performance po tayo, meron po tayong additional bonuses. Yan. Opo. Next naman po, free training explanation natin. Yung free training explanation natin, yung training na 1 week, tandaan po natin, hindi po tayo bayad doon. Pero worth it naman pag nakapasok po kayo. So, first to third day, 5 hours training. For the 6th day, 8 hours training inside the core team. First to 7th day of training will be credited to earnings. Tanda po training, first week of training is not paid. Next po is core team compensation example competition. So ito, nasa core team na po tayo. Ang minimum payout po natin is $20. If hindi po umabot ng $20 ang payout, maki-carry po siya in the next payout. So, an example na revenue nyo for 1 month is $1,000. So, meron kayo 50%, $500. So, if wala kayong penalty, makukuha nyo rin po yung nakaraang buwan na revenue nyo na hindi umabot sa payout. So, below $20 payout mo from previous month plus current month of revenue. So, yun po. Commission computation. Yung po yung sinabi ko kanina, total for revenue equals to commission base times percent of commission minus fines plus bonuses equals to your profit. Example, $100 equals to $100 times 40% is equals to $40. Training reminder. 1 week training outside the core, the second week training inside the core team. Remember, the second week of training, doon po mag-i-start ang ating earning. Doon po mga credit ang earnings nyo sa account nyo. Working days. Training, 5 days, 8 hours a day. Core team, 6 days a week, 8 hours a day, 1 off a week. Per week, meron po kayong day off na isa. Payment method. So, sa payment method, meron po tayong GCash, PPI, Union Bank, Paymaya, CPAP. Yan. Po yung mga payment method natin. Monitoring and grounds. Sa monitoring natin weekly, meron po tayong performance. Kailangan mo-met po natin yan. Expectation based on week, for week, result. Tapos 1 week chance of improvement. Bigyan kayo. Sa monthly naman, monthly performance, kailangan ma-meet po natin. Sa grounds naman, meron po tayong warning before termination. Tapos termination but still get paid. Tapos termination without warning but still will get paid. Yan. Decision po yan na natin ng admin natin or ng management yan about sa growth na yan. So keep in mind, remembers about penalty. Chat moderator compensation may be subject to penalties for severe violation of labor discipline. For poor quality of work, for other reasons, it could including fines from the platform that violate the established rules of work in the company. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, trainers and coach po magpapaliwanag sa fines sa mga rules and regulation ng company. So next naman po natin, leaves and resignation. Sa vacation leave po, kailangan 1 week advance plus approval. Sick leave naman before shift starts. So bago mag-start ang shift nyo, kailangan makapag-message po kayo sick leave. Sir, hindi po makapasok. Dahil po may sakit po ako, may lagnat po ako. Kailangan before shift, ma-message nyo yung trainer nyo, your handler nyo. Resignation. Sa resignation naman, 2 weeks in advance to get 100% total pending. For example, may pending kayong payout. So, kailangan 2 weeks in advance. Mapasa niyo yung resignation nyo para 100% yung makuha yung pending pay nyo. So, sa immediate resignation naman, 50% of total pending pay lang makukuha nyo. So, dito na kayo sa 2 weeks in advance para makuha nyo ng buo. So, a whole. So, sa a whole po, no pay po tayo dyan. Yan. So, if further question, feel free po kayo mag-ask sa mga respective orienter nyo or pwede nyo po i-PM si Sir LJ, ang ating senior HR. Binigay ko na rin po sa inyo yung telegram niya. And also, pwede nyo po rin po ako i-message. Ako po si Apple Flores, one of your HR recruit specialists. So, nandyan na rin po sa inyo yung aking telegram. Yan. Pwede rin nyo po i-message ang ating company at Digicode for clarification. So, thank you guys for listening for the discussion. I hope may natutunan kayo. And then, good luck po sa application. And God bless.